Today we're going to swing some more with Love Me Do by the Beatles. So to review yesterday's lesson, a swing feel is when your down strums are twice as long as your up strums. For example, with the strumming pattern down, down, up, down, up, if you're to swing it, it's down, down, up, down, up. All right? So straight feel, down, down, up, down, up. Swing feel, down, down, up, down, up. All right? Downs are longer, ups are shorter. Okay. So, for this song, the chorus, love, love me do, you know I love you, etc. All right? Starts with a G. It goes down, 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 down. Then C, down, down, up, down, up. Back to G, down, down, down. C, down, up, down, up. G, down, 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 up, down. Stay on C, down, 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 up, down, up. C. Then rest. All right? Then it comes back with a G. Down, down, C, down, up, down, up. Down, 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 up, down, up. Then it starts over. All right? So that's G, C, G, C, G, C, 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 C with a rest. Then G, C, G, C. All right? Play the whole thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. Down, 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 3, 4. So it's the first down is a short down, the second down is a full down, the short down and the full down again, all right? So it's like short and a full, short, all right? Then C, short, then down, up, down, up. Okay? And that repeats. All right, let's try it once more. A little bit of vocal, a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Love, love. Love me do. And it starts over. All right? If you find these videos helpful and informative, you can show your appreciation by leaving a comment in the comment section or giving me an upvote. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you have any requests, leave them in the comments. Thank you.